Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also, ma'am.
Okay, we will wait for another 3 to 4 minutes and then we will start.
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening, dear.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay, so we will start now. We have waited for everyone. First of all, I want everyone to change your names as, like, for example, my name is Gargi Sharma. I study in, let's say, 10th B. So I'll write Gargi Sharma 10th B. In that fashion, you just put your profile names so that it's easy for me to call you looking at your profiles.
Okay, ma'am.
In the meantime, I'll just introduce myself. So, hello everyone. Myself, Gargi Sharma. By education, I have finished my post-graduation in mechanical engineering. And for past 6 years, I'm teaching. For some duration, I was teaching in university, the adult students, and then I shifted towards school teaching. The main domain of my teaching is makerspace teaching, which in our Indian version is called as ATL Tinkering Labs. Apart from, apart from makerspace teachings, I work as part-time coding instructor. I work as curriculum developer, and also I'm volunteering with Adult Tinkering Labs as mentor of change. My skill sets includes designing 2D and 3D CAD modeling, game design, some sort of web development, app development. If I speak about my hobbies, I like to study about new emerging technologies, make creative stuff from laser cutting, 3D printing. And as of now, I am mainly working with 3D printing, laser cutting, carpentry, resin art, and coding in my makerspace environment. Okay, this was all about me. Now it's about your turn. And for you, I have a small platform called as Jamboard from Google. You have to just fill details. Here are 4 questions I'm asking. Whatever you feel, just write it there. Don't think that it should make sense. If it feels to you it's correct, just put it there. And then we will figure out how to make sense out of it. Okay. So I'm sending you this link in the chat. So in next 2 to 3 minutes, I'll be waiting and seeing some results from all of you. Once again, I'm sending the link. You have to go through the link and answer the questions.
Ma'am, can you tell a jam code?
It's in your chat. If you open your chat, you will see the link. I have changed the settings as editor. I think now you will be able to edit it. Those who have filled it, okay.
Ma'am, here is showing unable to open a jam document.
And what else is coming on your screen?
Ma'am, when I click the link, showing us that unable to open jam document.
Refresh again.
Okay, ma'am.
If you go to Jamboard, there is an option called as a post-it or sticky notes. You click that, put your question number, and don't forget to put the name. For example, my name is Gargi. I do that. Then I would like to answer for 1. Whatever is my answer, I finish that. Then I answer 2. So in that way, it would be easy to use the space, and many people can answer on the same page. So your answer will come like this. Okay. If you want, you can change the color. You can choose any color. There is somebody who is using pencil. In the same post-it, you have to answer all the 4 questions.
Ma'am, the link is not working.
What's your name, dear?
Ma'am, my name is Lakshmi.
Okay, Lakshmi, the same link is working for other people. I would suggest you to change your Gmail account. Try to use some different Gmail account to access the Jamboard.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't use the pencil. Tapasya Gupta, you don't have to put answers in different post-it. You have to put all the answers in the single post-it. And I can see many accounts are accessing this, but only Tapasya is answering. What about others? Tapasya, merge your answers in single post-it.
কে মহিলা বাদ করছে এটা দেখতে পায়
Shweta, mute yourself. Jia, we will talk separately, but you have to first fill the Jamboard. Tapasya, again you are using a separate post-it. See, I'll do it once again for you. You pick a post-it, okay? You put your name. Let's say Tapasya. Then you put question number. Let's say you are answering 1. Whatever is your answer. Then make some space. Then answer number 2. Whatever is your answer. Then answer number 3. Then answer number 4. Like that. So in single sticky note, you have to put all the 4 answers.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm sorry.
What about others? Only one person is answering that.
Ma'am, I am doing.
We have 15 students with us and only one person is answering. This exercise is really important. It will help me to understand what mindset you are having and how can I help you to reach further in your goals. So please take it little seriously. Don't think that it's just for time pass or something. Only 2 answers. What happened, girls? I'm not asking you any technical, difficult questions. These are basic general questions about you, what you feel about yourself. If you are facing any problem, unmute yourself and ask me. I'll help you. But I will not move forward until you finish this.
Ma'am, Tapasya Gupta completed the task.
Thank you, Tapasya. Navi Kiran, sorry, Nav Kiran, you don't have to answer in chat. You have to answer in Jamboard. Resend the link. I have reshared the link with you. Jia Sahu, you have changed the question, I guess. You have to go and pick a separate sticky note. Look at the left side. Left side, you have multiple options. You pick the sticky note and then type the answer. I'm removing your answer from the question. Here you are again doing the same mistake. In question number 2, you are answering. You have to choose a separate sticky. Come on, girls. This is not a big thing. This is as simple as writing your notes on a copy or a notebook. Whoever is answering, don't forget to put your name. Somebody has omitted question number 2. I'm seriously amazed. Jia, can you correct your question number 2? In the question, you are putting your answer. Girls, you have to improve your performance. Based on your today's performance only, I can plan our future sessions. And it's not about a single girl. It's all about everyone who has joined the session. Jia, can you unmute yourself? I need to speak to you. Jia?
Yes, ma'am.
Jia, see my screen. I
Okay,
click on
ma'am.
sticky note. I put your name, Jia. Okay?
Ma'am, I'm doing the same, but my answer is not visible.
Because you're doing inside the question.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
I have
Too many
chosen a
times I
separate
have to
sticky
delete
note.
your answer. Listen carefully. You have to go to the sticky, then type your name. You are telling me answer 1, write the answer, whatever is your answer.
Ma'am, I'm doing the same, but I don't know why
I
it is
have
happening.
prepared the template for you. Use this template. I hope this is visible to you. Use this.
Okay, ma'am.
Fahmida, Parveen. Fahmida, you have to answer other questions also. Barsha. Lakshmi, make your answers in the single sticky note. You have created 3 different sticky notes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Shweta Santra, can you please unmute yourself? Shweta,
Yes, ma'am.
you wrote that मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा. What's the problem?
अरे असल मैम मुझसे मैम ये क्या हो रहा है मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा वैसे.
अच्छा, मैंने आपको कहा था आप अपने चैट में जाइए और जो लिंक मैंने भेजा है उसे क्लिक कीजिए. आपने किया?
क्लिक करूं? नो मैम.
करिए. अब अपना जीमेल
Yes,
अकाउंट
ma'am,
यूज
click किया.
करिए. जीमेल अकाउंट यूज करके आपको ऐसा कुछ दिख रहा होगा स्क्रीन पे.
यस मैम.
अब आपके लेफ्ट साइड में एक टूल बार है. यहाँ से स्टिकी नोट्स आपको क्लिक करना है. आपको अपना नाम लिखना है, श्वेता. आपका पूरा नाम. ओके. अब आप आंसर 1 दे रही हैं तो A1, फिर जो भी आपका आंसर है, फिर आप आंसर 2 दे रही हैं, फिर आप आंसर 3 दे रही हैं, फिर आप आंसर 4 दे रही हैं। इस तरीके से आपको एक स्टिकी नोट के अंदर चारों आंसर्स देने हैं। क्लियर है श्वेता?
ओके मैम। यस मैम।
The task.
Aishi, your voice is breaking.
Mama, I have completed the task.
Aishi, I can see only one answer. Aishi Bhattacharya. No one is perfect. Drawing and block coding. I want to work hard. I am really interested in technology. Okay, thank you, Ayushi. This is Sparsha. Fahmida, you have to answer other questions, Fahmida. Who is this? I want to do something that can help me in future. Do something better for technology and people of our nation. Put your name. Okay, Aishi. I have added Navkiran again.
Mom,
Yes,
there is some issue with flip pads.
there is issue in what?
Issue in slip pad,
Sorry.
sticky pad.
If you are facing any trouble, refresh the Jamboard.
Okay, mom. Mute yourself.
Lakshmi Dwivedi, please put all your answers in single sticky.
मैम वो हो नहीं रहा है
क्यों? What's the reason? वायरस
मैम
तो है
बिकॉज
नहीं कि आपके पास
मैं
नॉलेज नहीं है. रिफ्रेश करिए बेटा स्क्रीन, दोबारा से ट्राई कीजिए. मैं आपकी स्क्रीन पे नहीं आके आपकी हेल्प कर सकती. Yes, Anamika, thank you so much. You have answered all the questions. Although we have nearly 20 students, but the answers are coming from 4 to 5 students. Those who are facing any further issues, you go to slide 2, repeat the same thing, choose the sticky and put your answers.
Ma'am, I have also completed the task.
Thank you. Please don't arrange. If you have, drop your answers, leave it. I will arrange it by myself. Is there anyone left to answer? Because once we start the discussion, I will not allow you to answer afterwards. Anamika, I have not hold any restrictions on your mic. I guess it's your device. You have to check your device why you are not able to unmute yourself, because everyone else have their respective control. Aarti, Neha, Sonia, Shivani, Sandhya, you people have not answered the questions.
I have answered.
Can you speak your name?
Shweta Santra.
Okay, Shweta. This is Sonia.
Ma'am, I have also answered.
Okay, Parsha.
Ma'am,
Yes, Lakshmi.
ma'am, can I write my answer fourth in another sticky pad because there are some issues?
Lakshmi. Okay. Can you please go to slide number 2 and there you put your answers?
Okay, ma'am.
तो यार हमारा
Ma'am,
Yes.
is my voice coming?
Yes, Anamika.
Okay, ma'am.
Jia Sahu. Okay. Lakshmi Dwivedi. Lakshmi, all your answers are scattered. You have to collect them and put in single sticky.
Ma'am, please check second slide because I am putting my all three answers in a single pad.
Okay, Lakshmi. Renu, you have to do the same thing. You have
Right,
to.
question 4 because here is some issue. That's why the question 4 is not writing here.
Did you refresh? Did you try again?
Yeah, ma'am.
Navkiran, only single answer you have given. Shivani Tiwari.
Ma'am, I am writing in sticky note now.
It's okay if you want to do it in text box, that's absolutely fine, but complete your answers. Shivani, Sonia, finish your answers quickly. You know, all the answers should be in single sticky note, not 4 different sticky notes. RT8D. Sandhya 9A.
Ma'am, when we will start the session?
I can't go further until I have the answers from you people. 1, 2,
Okay, ma'am.
5, 6. Out of 19, only 9 kids have responded completely, and other 2 and 3 are responding. I don't know. Drenu, can you please unmute yourself? Renu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Renu, I ask you to put all the answers in single sticky post. Can you see you have so many sticky posts? 1, 2, 3, and then 4. See, if I go to the sticky post, you put your name Renu, then you say A1, whatever is your answer. Then A2, whatever is your answer. Then A3, whatever is your answer. Then A4, whatever is your answer, and then save it. So this is how you put all the 4 in single sticky post. Did you get the idea, Renu?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Sonia Sharma, please unmute yourself. Sonia? Shivani Tiwari? Okay, thank you, Shivani. I got your answer. Okay. So this
Ma'am,
is
I have
how.
done.
Who?
Ma'am, it's Lakshmi.
Okay, Lakshmi, thank you very much. Now it's okay. Those who have done, thank you very much. Those who have not, it's okay. We are moving forward. So I asked you basic general questions to know what kind of mindset you are having about your general life. My first question was, is there such a thing called as perfect? If according to you, yes, it is, you have to name it. Some people said, yes, God is one such perfect thing. And most of you said that there's nothing called as perfect. We have to work hard to achieve perfection, but we really never achieve it. So that's a very forward thinking, I would say. God is something that is very objectionable thing to call as perfect, because God is neither a thing nor it is something that you can touch, feel, or any sort of what relationship you can have. It's all spiritual you have. It's all the belief you have about God. So those who have answered God, I have only one what to say thought to share, that keep your God out of the picture when you are part of a, let's say this is a technical session, right? So if I'm asking you, is there such a thing called as perfect, I might be talking about materialistic thing. We are not sitting in a religious belief ceremony or conference where we are having some talks, because we cannot go and start a discussion on what I believe, what I know, what I feel. We are here to talk about technical things. Okay. Now, those who said that yes, we have to work hard to achieve perfection, I really appreciate them, and that's a very good way of looking thing around yourself. Okay. Then I asked you that what can you do today that you were not capable of a year ago. Some of you said that you started block coding, you getting good marks, some getting better marks in social studies, some started cooking. These are very, very positive answers. I appreciate all your answers, because a small achievement is entirely yours. If you are able to, let's say, solve a mathematical problem, which a year ago was like, oh my God, what is this? Then also it's something which you should be very proud of yourself. So always remember to appreciate yourself on small milestones you're getting in each year or every day or every month. Okay. Then how would you describe your future in terms of your academic life, your social life, your personal life? Any 3 sentences I would like to hear. And you said that you said nothing. Okay, somebody said work hard and achieve your goals. Good. Live your life how you want it to be. Very nice. We have
Ma'am, please
never.
put my answer in next slide.
Sorry. Who is that? Yes, Lakshmi. You were saying something?
Ma'am, I'm saying please check my answer in the next slide.
Okay, I will. I will. Okay. So somebody saying I will be an academic person who can achieve anything. Okay, this is what you think about your life. Okay. Now, what made you to choose this topic? Why you are interested in attending session on app making? Because I'm not a social or personal life part. I'm doing both. I didn't get that answer. Lakshmi, recheck your answer. Navi Kiran. I chose this topic because I want to do something special by incomplete. Ayushi, I'm interested in technology. Okay. An app is a latest technology. Okay. Just for knowledge. Not bad. Curiosity. Very good. Curiosity. And hence my knowledge.
Excuse me. Ma'am, I am Navkiran speaking. Ma'am, I wrote by something special by learning coding. Ma'am, I wrote it, but it didn't came in the note.
Okay, Navkiran. Thank you. Okay, and who else? Because somebody like to learn, search, create new things. Okay. And Shweta is saying, because I think I'm trying my best and I can be successful. Okay, that's why you are here. Okay. I like to make things by myself. That's why you are here, Tapasya. Okay. So clearly, app making is a session where you will be learning about new technology. Just a second. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, so clearly this session, not just this session, our future sessions would be aligned along technology, what it takes to make an app and how app is going to serve not just you, but for the people you are making it, for the idea, how it can serve to the people, what needs you are catering, how you are going to give a solution through your app making skills. So definitely you are getting more knowledge on this. Definitely you will be creating, you will be exploring your curiosity. Definitely there will be tools which will help you to realize like what you think like a random thought can be turned into something productive. Okay, so this these question session answer was important just to make you all of you little bit more free in terms of knowing each other. I have shared my screen so that everybody can see who is answering what. You can relate them with yourself. You can learn from other person's answer. Okay, so in future, just remember when we will be meeting, we will be having an open mindset. We will be looking forward to learn things. We will be trying to avoid things which are based on just belief, and we rather work on facts. Okay, so I won't take much time today because it's already 1 hour. I'll just give you a glimpse what we are going to have in our next session. Okay, so we will be talking about how mobile applications are built, what are the features you require to make an mobile applications. We will go in detail about each and every step, and after going through it side by side, you will be putting out your ideas. Okay, then we will go through the coding language which we will be using, why we are working with that language. And to work with app, you need some basic skills on JavaScript and HTML. So I will be introducing small elements of JavaScript and HTML to you. And after covering the basics, we will be landing on the new language called as JSX. JSX is the main language used in your platform React. Okay, JSX is nothing, it's combination of JavaScript and HTML. Then we will start our coding journey from there. Okay. So I hope, I know our first session was a bit not resourceful. We have not gained many things from our first session, but we have understood that we are learning online. So we have to be little conscious enough about your surrounding. Make sure you're not sitting in a noisy room. Make sure your internet is working fine. Make sure you speak only when your turn is there, so that you don't interrupt the flow of me while speaking or any other person who is putting her question. Okay. So this is feedback from my end, and I will be ending my session in next 1 minute because I have my next session scheduled. I would like you people to unmute yourself and take your turn if you have anything to say. Anything. Any concerns you have from today or for future, whatever it is. If you just want to say hi, thank you, ma'am, that's also okay. You can unmute yourself and.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tapasya.
Ma'am, in JavaScript, we will learn about coding, about app making, or about the softwares.
No, dear. I'll be just touching the basics of JavaScript and HTML so that people who are new to this coding world, they have some sort of background knowledge, what it takes to create an app in terms of JavaScript. So I'm not going into detail. I will be at very surface level of the coding language.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anamika.
Ma'am, thank you for this season. When will our next season will be?
Our next session we will plan. I'll tell your ma'am, and on the group I'll upload the details.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone. If you have anything, you can share it on your WhatsApp group. I'll be taking leave from today's session. Bye-bye. And please, next time, be quick when I give you any sort of activity so that we don't waste much of the time. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Bye.
enjoy your
Thank
evening.
you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am, bye.